Hi everyone, welcome back to the Central Foodies. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss about another interesting recipe, which is Kadai Paneer. Kadai Paneer is actually a very famous dish, which is a very popular dish in India. So let's see how this Kadai Paneer is going to make with our own recipes, and let's enjoy it. Let's take a kadai or pan, add about 5 to 6 dry red chilies, a tablespoon of peppercorn, black pepper, a tablespoon of cumin seed, a tablespoon of fennel seeds, and a tablespoon of coriander seeds. Let's get these spices roasted nicely. All spices are roasted nicely now. And let's transfer this to a mixer grinder, and we should grind this into the fine powder like this, and our kadai masala is ready. Let's now marinate the paneer cubes. I've taken about 150 grams of paneer, and I'm going to marinate with some chili powder and a bit of oil. Let's mix this well until this chili powder get coated with the paneer. It's ready now, and we should keep this for 15 minutes to rest. Let's take our kadai or pan back and heat it up. Add some vegetable oil to that, and once the oil is heated, we will add the cubes of bell peppers or capsicum. Let's roast these bell peppers nicely until it gets a crunchy texture. The bell pepper or capsicum is ready, and I'm going to add some onions which are cubed. We should get this onion and bell pepper nicely roasted. These both are roasted nicely now, and let's transfer to a side plate. Using the same pan or kadai, we are going to roast the paneer, the one which we kept marinated. The paneer is ready now. It's roasted nicely, and let's transfer this to a small bowl. Again, on the same pan, I'm going to add some rough cut onions. I've taken about 2 small onions. Give it a nice stir until you get the transparent color. Once the onion turns into a transparent color, we shall add ginger garlic paste. I have taken about a teaspoon. Keep stirring until the raw smell goes, and once it is roasted, we shall add the tomatoes. I have taken about 2 small tomatoes cut into slices. Let's add it and keep stirring. We will cover the lid and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes in medium flame. Open the lid after 3 minutes and stir it again. Once this tomatoes are roasted nicely, we shall transfer it to the mixer grinder and then grind to the fine paste. Take the same kadai again, and we will pour some oil to that. Once the oil is heated, let's add the whole spices like bay leaf, a piece of cardamom, and 3-4 cloves, and half a teaspoon of cumin seed. Roast them nicely, and then we shall add the paste which we have made, the onion tomato paste. Give it a stir again. Let this masala get nicely cooked. So we shall cover the lid and cook it for about 2 minutes. You can see the paste is nicely cooked. Now I'm going to add about a glass of water which I need for my gravy. Keep stirring until the paste get diluted with water, and you can see the consistency that you need, and you can add more water even if you require it. Once it is started boiling, you can now add the masala, the kadai masala which we have made earlier. Mix it again and the sauce should start boiling with this masala. Check your salt and add it. Leave this to boil for about 2 minutes, and then we shall add our roasted capsicum and onions, and later the fried paneer. Let's also add a tablespoon of fresh cooking cream. This will actually give a nice texture to the entire sauce of kadai paneer. So now you can see our kadai paneer is almost getting ready. Let's add some dry fenugreek leaves or methi leaves. This is optional ingredient for our kadai paneer. You can always ignore it if you don't want. Cover the lid and wait for another 2 minutes. And at last, let's add some chopped coriander to this. Give it a nice mix again, and it is ready to plate. Let's now transfer this to a serving bowl, and it is ready to eat. The best combination of kadai paneer is with chapati. You must try the chapati with kadai paneer just like this. Did you enjoy it? I did. It's really nice to eat with chapati. You can even try with the pulao or any other rice. You must try this at home with this recipe. Isn't it so easy to make at home? Yes, it is. Go and try yourself. Come back with your feedback and update me on the video comments. Thank you for staying with Sunshine Foodies. So we will again come back with another interesting recipe which you all going to enjoy again. Do not forget to subscribe the channel if you did not. Please do it. Like the video, share it with your friends, and thank you once again. Bye bye. Take care.